I'm back. What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Brent, the ordinary man, the ordinary man. What I like to say, I like to inform, educate, enhance. How? Mentally, spiritually, financially, physically. I broke my phone. I cracked my screen. And my phone is cracked. The glass is cracked. But I got good news! Yes! I got good news. I purchased a new phone. Let's open it up. Ta-da! Yes, I have a blue smartphone. It's called the G90 Pro. 6.5 Full HD Infinity display. MediaTek Hello G90T gaming chip. Octa-core 2.0 gigahertz processor. 16.4 bits. 128 gigabyte internal memory, 4 gig RAM, advanced quad AI camera with LED flash, 48 megapixel deep sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle, 120 degrees, super pixel with 108 MP super zoom, 32 MP self camera, super 5100 milliamp battery with wireless charging, plus an 18-watt quick charge, micro SD up to 128 gigabytes, Android 10. Yes, the Blue 90. I'm very, very, very excited about this. Now, I'm still using my old phone to make this video, so I am going to open this box. Whew. Y'all just don't understand. I probably should have opened it before I made the video, but I just, it's been a rough week cracking my screen, but I guess it's met. The phone was kind of 2 years old, so it happens, but you're probably wondering why I choose blue. Well, blue supposedly be made in the USA. It's out of Florida. And it's been good to me. I'm not going to pay $1,200 for a phone. This phone is, look at the color, purple. Man, look. This phone is perfect. And a nice budget phone as well. You can get this on Amazon for $199. Yes. Just look at it. Just look. I just hope you really see the power of this phone. And it's nice, big, 6.5 screen. But anywho, I'm not here to give you a review on the phone. I just wanted to tell you I cracked my phone. And I had to get a new phone. That's all I wanted to say. Goodbye.